Oh yeah, I'm enjoying a delicious decadent treat here. Fried bananas in cardamom caramel sauce, and with an added big scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now look at it, it's just puddled here. You know, this caramel sauce, beautifully brown fried bananas. We got the caramel sauce, the cardamom flavor in there, a little bit of the ice cream melting. Total decadence. Got kind of a very Indian, that area kind of flavor, right? It's just really great and so easy to make. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, to make our fried bananas in cardamom caramel sauce, we'll have a few ingredients. First of all, we have the bananas. And here we have 2 bananas that have been split in half lengthwise. Then to make the caramel sauce and for frying the bananas, we have 3 tablespoons of butter. We have a 1/4 cup of sugar, and I prefer brown sugar or lightly brown sugar. In this case, my usual natural cane sugar, which is just delicious for caramel sauce. A 1/2 cup of heavy cream, that's 35% or greater, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. This is what gives it that cardamom flavor. So first thing we're going to do is throw 1 of the tablespoons of butter in our frying pan. Bring that frying pan up to medium heat. What we want to do is we want to melt the butter, get this heated up. Once this butter has melted and the pan is hot, in go the bananas. Okay, see the butter is melting, it's starting to foam. In go the bananas. What we're going to do is we're going to fry those bananas only for about 2-3 minutes per side. We just want to warm them up and brown them a little bit. So let's get them going for about 2-3 minutes on this side, and then we'll be back. All right, that's been only about 2 minutes and ready. I think we're going to turn these over. We're going to see that the bananas are browning nicely. Look at that. Oh, delicious. Yeah, you can use something else to turn these with if you don't want to burn your fingers like I do, but I just use my wooden spatula, flop them over, and away we go. There we go. All right. Oh, fried bananas just taste so good. All right. We're going to cook those for about another 2 minutes only because this is, we've got a good heat going here. And then we'll be ready to make the caramel sauce. All right, those are cooked for another 2 minutes. They're ready to go. Let's get them out onto their plates. Oh, look at that. Beautifully browned. Get these out onto here for now. All right, what I'm gonna do now is add the rest of the butter. Get that melting. Just gotta whip that around. That's gonna melt quick because that pan's nice and hot. All right, butter's about melted. In goes the sugar. And the cardamom. Let's get those mixed around in there. Once we get this mixed a little bit here, right away we'll get that cream in there. We got nice heavy cream. All right, mix, stir, get it all combined together. Now what we're going to do is going to cook this, stirring quite occasionally, for anywhere between 2, 3, 4 minutes. What you're watching for is basically that the sauce is getting nice and smooth, and it'll start thickening. When it starts to thicken, it's ready to go. All right, this has been cooking for a few minutes now. I've been stirring it constantly now because now it's starting to bubble and foam. You might just keep moving it about, and it's starting to become a nice sauce here. And it's got a bit of thickness to it, see? Yeah, that's about right. I don't want it too thick. I like it a bit runny on there, because now I'm going to turn the heat off. Now, we can serve this with just the bananas, and that's delicious, but for a little bit of extra decadence, a scoop of vanilla ice cream plopped into the middle here. And then we'll pour some of that sauce over top of that. You could even just about make that 2 scoops of ice cream. Really depends on how decadent you want to go. All right, so remember we have 2 plates of bananas, so we don't use all the sauce. We use about half the sauce in this one here. Drizzle over the bananas. Drizzle some over the ice cream. Oh, look at that. Pools of deliciousness. And that caramel sauce with a little bit of cardamom taste in there. Absolutely fantastic. Enjoy this for dessert or any time, really. Enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you get the free printable recipe for fried bananas in cardamom caramel sauce on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this devilish treat, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.